10th one, write a Python program that matches a word at the beginning of a string. Okay, matches a word at the beginning of a string means the first word must be a string here. Okay, so it should not be spaces or underscore in the first, should not be gap between the first letter. Means we'll see with an example. This one matches a word beginning of the string, simple one pattern. First starting must be a word, so further you have to write here R symbol and backslash W because it represents alphanumeric. Okay, plus that's it. Just check the output now. Just check the output. So here write hello Python, it's true here. Just check the output again, give some space here. Okay, space or whatever. Hello Python, false here because there is no word in the first space here, first letter. Okay, first letter must be contain some word here. Okay, so for that you have to write like this one, and R symbol and it backslash W represents alphanumeric. Okay.